Alright, what's up everybody? Random Ray back at it again with another one, and today we're going to be doing a world record for basically fixing my phone. As you can see, it's pretty jacked up. And my man Alex here is going to do his thing as Self Repair Geek. And here we go.
Phone is ready. That was the broken screen. That's the new one.
Wow. And it's turning on, guys. It's turning on. Look at this. I gotta give a huge freaking shout out to Alex. He's doing his thing. It took him 5 minutes basically to give me a new screen. Look at this. What? What? Now every time I put my phone to my ear, I'm not gonna pull my hair out because the cracks in the screen. Look at this. Oh my goodness, come on. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Get it done.